Let's look at the font shorthand. We had shorthand for so many CSS properties. We'll see what is the shorthand for font. It's as simple as just font. Now, font style, font variant, font weight, font size and line height, font family. We'll give all that. But two values are really required, which is the font size and the font family. So font size, let me give 15 pixel, and then say variant is small caps, then weight is bold, then oops, this is the font style. We could start with the font style. Font style is italic, and the font size is this one. Then finally the font family, which I will give as cursive. First get rid of this ugly font, ugly effect. Yeah, so this is the shorthand. Shorthand for font style, font variant, font weight, font size, and font family.